Algebra 2 students to class today on this terrific Tuesday, January 5th. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you've had a nice Christmas break. And look, guys, the year's halfway over, so let's finish the second half well and be on into your senior year. For some of you and for Grant and Kobe, moving on to your junior year next year, okay? Alright, here's the schedule for the week. Like I always try to give you guys, some of you might copy this down, some of you might not, that's up to you. But there's the schedule for the week. Notes today, homework tomorrow, notes Thursday, quiz and homework on Friday, okay? So it looks like a pretty easy week, but really what this means is that you have a lot of notes to take, so I could not give you homework on the same day. Today's actually going to be a lot more than just notes. We're going to be looking at your old tests from chapter 6 and also taking notes, okay? So a lot to do today. There's nothing to turn in. Obviously, you have no homework from over the weekend or over the break. Abigail, would you please listen to me carefully? You're missing chapter 5 test, chapter 6 test, and the semester exam. Now, you've always been great about making stuff up. I'm not worried about that, okay? But listen, I would encourage you to not take the chapter 6 test. The chapter 6 test covered 2 lessons, and we're going to retest over that material on the chapter 6 test that we take this semester. So if I were you, I would, and I don't think any, in fact, I'm positive none of the chapter 6 information was on the final exam or semester exam. So if I were you, I would focus on your chapter 5 test and your semester exam, okay? That's my advice to you there on that, okay? Be in touch with me and let me know how things are coming, okay? Guys, listen, if you're absent one day or many days, it doesn't matter. The first day you come back, if we're taking a test or a quiz, you will take it. Unless you've pre-contacted me and told me why you were not able to watch the video, so keep in mind to stand up for your videos when you're absent. I'm not talking about someone like Abigail who's been out for a long time. I'm not talking about that, okay? I know that she was in the hospital, many complications, that's different, okay? Alright, moving on. Today, we will be going over the chapter 6 test. Now, Abigail, feel free to watch this video, because I would really encourage you not to take this test, so watch it, okay? We're going to go over the chapter 6 test, and then continue in chapter 6 by taking notes. Guys, would you please listen to me? I don't care what grade you got on your test in A, B, C, D, or F. I would watch the entire video. I would not just watch the problems that you missed. This video is made intentionally to review what we covered in chapter 6. That's been 17, no longer than that, because we reviewed it. It's been like 3 weeks ago since we had this material. 2, 3, 4 weeks ago. So please, I would encourage all of you to not only watch this video, but to watch the entire thing, not just the problems that you missed, but that's up to you. The name of the test correction video is Algebra 2, Chapter 6 Test Corrections. It's about 25 minutes long. The teaching video today is about inverse relationships. The name of the teaching video is Algebra 2, Lesson 6.3. It's about 40 minutes long. So you've got to be honest, you've got a full day of videos, but if you'll get to work and work hard, you'll only have about 20 minutes of this to watch tonight at your house, okay? Now, so I do want you to finish this at your house. Now, if you come in tomorrow and try to watch it on Wednesday, that's fine, but your homework is still due Wednesday that I'm giving you tomorrow. It's still due the next day, because you should be able to finish your homework in class tomorrow, okay? So I'm telling you now, I would watch this at your house tonight, okay? Alright, let's talk about your exams. I use the same exams every year, so I do not pass those back to students. If you have any questions or would like to see your exam, you can contact me, okay? And we'll try to set up a time to do that. Your exam scores are listed on Sycamore, okay? Now let's talk about A averages. If you had an A average for the semester, not the 9 weeks, for the semester, you are exempt from homework until we take our first test, okay? So if you have an A for the semester, you're exempt from homework until we take our first test. That's all for today, students. Please get started with the test. test correction video and the teaching video both. Have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions at all, and I would recommend that you watch the test correction video first.